And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and a little chunk of moisture, a little weak area of low pressure has formed just to our north, and you can see it's created a little bit of rain. A little rain moved over during the overnight hours. It is mainly to our north, though. It looks like it's going to continue drifting up to the north, so I think the better rain chances today are areas just to our north of Corpus Christi, San Antonio are going to see more rain than we will today. We're on the backside of this, so yes, there is a rain chance. There will be some rain in the valley, but a lot of us are going to miss out. The more impressive rain is actually farther out to the west. It's interesting because this was a tropical depression yesterday, and it's been dumping rain along the west coast of Mexico. It briefly became Tropical Depression 19. Now it's back to being a remnant low pressure area because notice already how it's really getting stretched out and doesn't have a center of circulation anymore. In fact, some of that moisture is already moving into New Mexico. We saw it in parts of Arizona yesterday, and it's going to continue to track into North Texas, where it's going to meet up with a cold front, and it's going to produce some very heavy rain for North Texas and Oklahoma, particularly it looks like during the day on Friday. And then that cold front will continue into central Texas, but then stalling out, not getting to the valley. That said, our rain chances do go up for the weekend. We'll take a look at that weekend forecast in just a bit. Let's focus on the next 2 days, though, where there's really not going to be a whole lot of rain around. A cloudy start to the day, but not a lot of rain. Maybe a couple showers here or there right along the coast. For most of us, the rain chance is going to begin around noon, around lunchtime, as that sea breeze sets up. Some showers and storms will start to develop in Cameron and Willacy County. They will attempt to move to the west, but as is typically the case, they're going to struggle. And so I think the better chance of rain today is in Cameron, Willacy County, and a smaller chance if you live in Hidalgo and Starr County. Isolated showers and storms. Eventually, we're going to see a little bit more sun as we go through the day, but overall, more clouds and sun. A fairly cloudy day overall. By 8 o'clock, all that rain is over with. And I think we're going to stay dry during the overnight hours. By tomorrow morning, we could start to see a couple showers popping up along the coast. And then when the sea breeze sets up tomorrow, they will try and move inland, but I think there's going to be even less rain around tomorrow. Maybe about a 20% chance of rain for Cameron and Willacy County. But if you live in Hidalgo and Starr County, notice how that rain really struggling to move in. So we're talking about a 10% chance rain for Hidalgo and Starr County tomorrow. Probably a little bit more sun too. We'll be about a degree warmer, so it'll be in the mid-90s, and I think the rain chance tomorrow will end by 7. But things will be changing for the weekend. 94 today, mostly cloudy and breezy. I do think the wind's a little bit stronger than they have been. Gusts around 20 miles per hour. Overall, on average, a 20% chance of catching a shower or a thunderstorm, so a lot of us will stay dry. Everybody looks to stay dry tonight. Partly cloudy during the evening, mostly cloudy overnight. A muggy night with lows around 78. But here's your weekend forecast. A 70% chance of rain for Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. It's a two-part rain chance. That's why we're still going to make it to 93 with the early afternoon even looking pretty dry. And then it looks like a cloudy day on Sunday with off and on showers and storms. That'll keep highs around 90. Overall, a 50% chance then of catching a shower or storm.